And a person has to be zoiche to know his problems. You understand? Many times, Marosh says, Ansha says, Dam ruim v'chatuim, Lashem oit. These dumb people, they do rishes, but they say, Lashem oit, everything for God. Zayr sag mensen die rishes, making machloikes, making fights. But the person, he says, I'm doing good. He didn't mention lines that this not at nicht geht. The person himself has to know that I'm not good. Person looks dirty movies, schmutzige movies, garbage. But okay, no, nothing. I'm fine. Oh, the Baruch Shalom, you know. No, I am. I'm a schmutzige person. Baruch Shalom. I'm fooling people, and I'm making myself. I'm a good person, and I'm giving mitzvah for him, and I'm doing for him, and I'm, this all people that taking care from other people. But I'm so far, nicht far from you. Far from you. This is like a word from dich. No, you understand? This is the way. It's the only way. Every day, Baruch Shalom, I have a fight with someone, and I'm right, but favus, it's only rishes, it's a kinner, it's sich, alle middes mischuses. This is the way.